As we all know, showering can be dangerous and challenging for many individuals who suffer from mobility and balancing issues. Picture one of these folding ADA compliant teak seats in your home. Not only do they meet and exceed the specifications set by the Americans with Disabilities Act for shower seats, but they will provide years of use. Every Teakworks4u ADA shower seat is built with a heavy-duty stainless steel frame. All of the teak edges are rounded and sanded by hand for both looks and safety. With the sturdiness of a wall-mounted bench and the natural slip-resistant features of teak, our ADA benches will provide the safety you or your clients deserve without sacrificing any desired beauty or comfort. Our benches will put your mind at ease by significantly reducing the risks of falls for your parent, loved one, or yourself. Adding a wall-mounted ADA bench rather than a standalone bench removes the concern of the bench moving while sitting down or transferring to it. If the bench isn't a necessity, it easily folds up and out of the way. We have a wide variety of options, including numerous size lengths, right or left-handed transfer seats, large changing room style benches, and most are available with or without legs. All our products utilize materials that are manufactured and handcrafted in the USA. When working with Teakworks4u, we promise to deliver you the highest quality product while backing it with our top-notch customer service. Check out our inventory at teakworks4u.com or give us a call to speak to one of our team members at 866-969-8325. Your experience will be simple, enjoyable, and your end products will meet all your expectations.